Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. And today in this particular video I am going to discuss about SNS, one of the very popular service provided by AWS. Okay, so what is SNS? Let us try to understand first. Then I will go through the advantages of SNS. Then I will show you one demo also. Okay, so basic demo I am going to discuss. Basic concept about SNS, what I am going to cover in this video. In my upcoming videos I'll be covering many more advanced concepts related to this. Okay, so what is SNS? Amazon SNS is a highly available, durable, secure and fully managed published subscriber based messaging service. Okay, that is it is nothing but a messaging service, right, which is highly available, durable. Auto scaling is there as default property, like other AWS services is having. Similarly, SNS is also having the auto scaling property also, right, and it is fully managed, which is one of the biggest plus point about this particular service. That is, developer need to think only their required development part, not how in the backend it is getting managed, all these things, right? AWS will do all those things on our behalf. Okay, we only need to concentrate how to use this particular service for messaging work. That's it, right? So if I go to the next slide, the picture of SNS will be much more clear to you. Okay, there is something called publisher. Publisher will publish some message in a particular place, which is called SNS topic. Okay, so topic you can consider a place where publisher basically push any message, okay, or put any message. Now that message can be forwarded to one or more than one subscribers. That can be AWS Lambda, that can be AWS SQS or simple queue service, which is another popular AWS service I am going to discuss in my upcoming videos. That can go to some HTTP, that can go to mail also. You can send mail based on that message, right? And you can send that message to some SMS, like mobile communication also you can perform using this particular SNS. Okay, right? So this is the architecture. So there is a publisher. Publisher is someone who is putting message in the topic, and from that topic the message will go to the subscriber, who will basically subscribe to that particular topic. Alone that particular entities only will be receiving those messages, okay, not other entities, right? So this is nothing but the simple messaging system which is followed in SNS, right? I am going to discuss about this particular pipeline flow from scratch. Give me some time before going ahead with practical hands-on. Let me discuss the advantage of SNS. Okay, so one of the biggest advantage of SNS is fan out. Okay, so what is fan out? Fan out is nothing but when a message published to an SNS topic is replicated and pushed in multiple endpoints. Okay, that is, for example, if you see this particular image what I shown you, that is when a publisher put the message in SNS topic, then that message can be replicated and can be sent to multiple subscribers. It can reach to AWS Lambda and trigger that. It can go to AWS SQS and do some other job. It can be sent to email. It can be sent via SMS. Like this kind of thing. From one message, multiple replicas can go and trigger multiple different pipelines. Okay, so this is called fan out. So fan out is some kind of terminology. If you are someone who is belonging to electronics and communication engineering background, then you might have studied this one in your VLSI course. During MOSFET design architecture, we have studied fan out, right? There is kind of how many outputs are going from the integrated circuit, kind of that only. Here also the same meaning it is having, fan out. That is, when one message is published to an SNS topic, it can be replicated and pushed to multiple endpoints. Okay, now what is the advantage of fan out? Let me discuss one particular scenario. Okay, so suppose you are having one requirement where if some new object is created or deleted in a particular S3 bucket, right, multiple events should be triggered. You can consider like this way, that more than one lambda should be triggered by that S3 event. Okay, right? That is the requirement. Now currently S3 does not support this kind of multiple triggers. Okay, that is, directly you can create trigger based on S3 event to one lambda only, not multiple lambda. But using SNS you can achieve that. Okay, So we cannot have multiple lambda triggered directly from single S3 event, as unfortunately at this particular moment S3 is limited to single event notification. That means that trying to add more than one lambda for the same event will result into overlap error. So suppose from one particular S3 event you are triggering multiple lambda, that kind of architecture if you make, you will be getting overlap error, right? Thus we have to look some alternative architecture, and that's where our SNS fan out architecture can be used. So basically, suppose data source is creating some object in S3 bucket, all you can do, that particular event can be pushed in the AWS SNS as a message, and when the message will be published by the bucket, what can happen, that SNS can trigger multiple lambda, right? Multiple lambda can subscribe to one particular SNS, and those can be triggered based on the bucket event notification, right? That kind of architecture you can easily build using SNS. Okay. Then apart from that, as I have told you already, that AWS SNS is something which is auto scaling. Okay. Automatically it can scale up and down based on the traffic. Okay. Right. And then another advantage is message can go to different subscriber based on fields in the message. There is message filtering also can be achieved. Okay. So what is that? For example, suppose some publisher has published some message in SNS topic. Now by default it will go to all the subscribers, right? But suppose you want to explicitly send that particular message to AWS Lambda only, maybe some email is also subscribed to that particular topic, but you don't want to trigger some mail, and you want to make that message flow to only the Lambda, not other subscribers. Okay, that kind of functionality is also available in SNS. So you can put some kind of filtering condition based on which the message will reach to only specific subscribers, not all the subscribers who has subscribed to that topic. Okay, multiple subscribers can be there for a particular topic, but the message you can forward to some particular subscribers based on filtering condition. Okay, that also I am going to discuss in my upcoming videos. So these are some of the advantages of SNS. I hope you have got the fundamental idea of it. Now let's directly jump into our lab section, where we are going to discuss some architecture. Okay, one simple architecture I am going to demonstrate, that is in S3 bucket. Suppose some file, that is some object is going to be created or deleted. Based on that, it should put some message in SNS topic, that is this S3 bucket is acting like publisher, and we will basically make one email as subscriber to that topic. So as soon as something will be deleted or created in this bucket, mail will be going to that particular mail address which has subscribed to this topic. Okay, that kind of architecture we are going to create in our today's demo. So let us go to our AWS management console, and then let us first create one S3. Okay, right? So I will go step by step from scratch. I will go to create bucket. So here I will give SNS demo YT for YouTube video demo, right? Okay. And then here all other properties I am keeping as it is. I am going to simply creating bucket. Okay. So here bucket is creating. Till then I will open AWS management console in a new tab, and here I will search for simple notification service. Okay. See, here it is coming SNS. Okay. I will click on that, and then here currently I need to first create one topic, and we will make publisher allowed to that particular topic for publishing message, and then we will create some subscriber who will be subscribing that particular topic to receive message. Okay, here you can see the architecture also, that is publisher send message from distributed system or Microsoft services or some other AWS service to SNS, and from that SNS topic it is going forwarded to multiple subscribers. Okay, so first step is we will going to topics, and here we'll go to create topic. Now topics, either you can create FIFO, that is first in first out, or standard. I will go to standard for this demo. Okay, then demo YT topic. Okay, right, this name I am giving. Then here encryption, if you want you can make it secured. Okay, all this advanced option I am going to discuss in my upcoming video. Currently I am keeping this as default. Now access policy. Okay, so who can basically publish the message in this topic or subscribe, so that kind of access we need to give. Currently I am putting everyone. Okay, that is every AWS service or everyone can publish message in this particular topic, and everyone can subscribe also. Okay, right? For simplicity of the demo. And deliver retry policies I am keeping as default only, right? Delivery status logging optional, so this also I am keeping default. I will simply go to create topic. Okay, and here my topic is created, right? And here if you go below, you will be getting this particular subscription option. Okay, now under a particular topic we need to create subscriber who will be basically subscribing to that topic, and whenever new message will be published in that topic by publisher, the message will be forwarded to those subscribers. Okay, right? So here we need to go to create subscription. Now here this is our topic ARN, right, which is coming demo topic, right? So this is what we created just now. Okay, you can confirm here also. So if I go to AWS, and here if I go to simple notification service, here if you click on topic and demo topic, see this is the ARN which is coming here, right? And here in protocol I need to choose who will subscribe to this particular topic. So I want to send mail, so I will choose email, and then I need to put my mail address. Okay, so I have created one dummy mail ID for this kind of demo. I will copy this, you put your mail ID here. Okay, I will go to this endpoint, I will paste it here. Okay, rest of the things I am keeping as default. Subscription filter policy, like I told you, right, that you can put some filters and all. So I am not putting currently, I will simply create the subscription. Okay, and here my subscription is created, right? Now if you go to this particular status, you will see pending confirmation. So whenever you create this kind of mail as subscriber, one particular confirmation mail will go to your particular mail ID what you specified, like you can see it reached here, and you need to confirm, then only you will be subscribing to that particular topic. Okay, all you need to do, click on this particular confirm subscription, and here this particular message will be coming subscription confirmed, right? Now we are ready with respect to our this particular SNS, but we need to make this connected. S3 bucket we created, SNS topic we created, email we subscribed with this SNS, but this S3 bucket should be publishing some amount of message whenever something will be created or deleted to this SNS topic, right? That connectivity we need to build now. So I will go to AS3, right, and this is our bucket. I will click on that, I will go to properties, and then here I will go below. Here you will be seeing that event notification. So whenever something will be created or deleted, you want to send some event, that kind of setup you can create here. Okay, I need to create event notification. Event name I can give demo testing something. Prefix suffix you can specify, I am not keeping currently. So whenever some object will be created or will be deleted, that time I want to send event notification to that topic, right? So I am checking both of them, and then here I will go below. Then destination should be what? Currently I want to publish the message to SNS topic, right? So I will choose SNS topic, and then here choose from your SNS topic. So I have created this particular SNS topic, right? That is demo YT topic. So I am choosing that, and I will click on save changes. Okay, right? We have not got any error with respect to permission, because while creating the topic, we allowed everyone who can be publisher, everyone who can be subscriber, right? So no issue in that access kind of thing. Now what we can do, we can go to object. Now here we can upload something. Okay, all we need to do, click on add files. Okay, suppose I am adding one particular JPG file which is having the name A True Leader. Okay, right, and I will click on upload. It is uploading. Okay, so as soon as it is uploaded, what will happen, the S3 will basically publish one particular message in SNS topic, and that SNS topic, as this email is subscribed to that SNS topic, so SNS topic will forward that particular message to this email. Okay, so we need to go back to this particular email, and if we go to inbox, see one Amazon S3 notification came. If we click on that, let's see what kind of thing what we are getting. See here, detailed information about the particular test event we are getting here. See here, you will able to understand clearly. Like this is coming kind of a JSON format. You can see here object, The key is a true leader.jpg. It is having this much size. Okay, all these things. Event time when it got triggered, event name, object created, put, because we have created one object, that's why it is this kind of event it is giving. Event sources AWS S3, event region, event version, all these details you will be getting from this particular JSON, right? You can explore more, right? And now let us try to delete this particular one, whatever we created. I will go to this particular S3 bucket, I will select this particular one and I will delete that one, okay? Because for delete also we have subscribed. Now we need to write here permanently delete. I will copy this and paste it here and I will click on delete object. So as we have made such configuration that is in S3 whatever created or deleted, it should publish something in SNS, right? So one more message the S3 will publish in this SNS and SNS will forward to the subscribed email address, okay? So let us go to our email. If I click on here, again one more notification came and this time you see that what it is displaying, that is a true leader.jpg, and here this is the object name, right? And then that object removed, okay? That is the object is deleted. So from the event name you are understanding due to which it got triggered. So all these things you can perform using SNS, right? So I hope you understood this particular architecture and it is clear to you. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.